Hey, it's your boy Trash Man out here, and this is a Southern Kingfish getting us some floppy action. Today's video, we're gonna take a in-depth, step-by-step look at how you process Clearnose skate, and save this guy for another time. Wah! Bum bum bum. All right, we were getting ready. Well, I guess we're still getting ready to call it a day. But last cast we're reeling in. Look at this doormat of a skate. This guy is like size 12 feet, size 14 shoes.
I'm size 14.
Size 14 foot. Look at that. Woo! And then we got another big slab kingfish. Heck yeah. Wah! All right, look at this. 4th of July morning. We got about maybe 2.5 hours in. And we got a big male, medium-sized female. And look at these nice size kingfish. All right, we're gonna have a skate and whiting feast on our hands. Woohoo! The artist's tools. And the blank canvas.
You're not 6.
Come up to my lab and see what's on the slab. Oh, here we go. Step 1, scissor me timbers. We need to extract the delicious Delmarva ocean scallop that's right here in this fin. We're gonna take the scissors. We're gonna liberate the fin from the body. Let's begin. Oh, so easy. Come back here. And voila, so easy. Then we want to trim this exterior fin, and there's this ridge of spikes right here. Sometimes those spikes go all the way through the skin into the meat, so you kind of have to trim inside this fringe. So there you go. That is your wing steak right there. But let's do this 3 more times, and we'll have all of our nice, delicious slabs ready for skinning. I see you shiver with anticipation. All right. So now is the funnest part, and it's the most intimidating part, and used to be my least favorite part. This is the skinning. So we're just patting our wings dry, and we're patting the board dry. The least slimy this is, the better a time we're gonna have. And this is a paper towel. The most important tool in our skate cleaning arsenal is the terry cloth rag. So we're gonna do this guy. We're gonna hold him with the rag. We're gonna hold, this rag grabs the skin. Your hands can't grab it. This rag grabs it like a magnet. We're gonna take our fillet knife, right? And we're just gonna make a little bit of a subskin cut. A finger-sized cut in that wing skin. And then we're gonna get our finger in there, hold the wing with the rag, or it will slide and slip. And now we got nothing but finger in between meat and skin. And you can go like that. Look at that. Look how easy. I'm making this look easy. It's not as easy as it looks. The magic thing is this rag. So now that you got this loose skin, you want to hold it with the rag. Don't try to hold it with your other hand. You can hold it with pliers, but the rag, believe it or not, better than pliers. Look at that. Look at it all just coming off. And then earlier I mentioned that ridge's spines, how some of those spines embed into the meat. This is the skin that wouldn't pull off. So this little fringe right here, you just fillet that off like this. All right, so look at that beautiful, beautiful meat. And then we're gonna repeat that process on the white side. And just like that, the skin from the white side comes off, and we have a completely free and liberated piece of skate wing meat. I gotta grab this get this little piece off still. But there you go. We're gonna do that with all our wings. There is one extra step that I only usually do if I'm making this for somebody that's really squeamish about eating fish, and it's a big 7+ pound size rare skate. There's cartilage in here. You can fillet this against the cartilage. You can fillet the meat off of the cartilage fin. I don't like to do that unless it's a really, really big piece, because you lose a lot of meat doing it that way. I'd rather just take a fork and scrape it right off the fin after I cook it. But yeah, this is my process. So we'll do this a couple more times, and we're gonna have a nice big platter of skate wings. And voila, just like that. Beautiful, ready for the skillet skate wings. I'm gonna season these babies up, fry them in some butter, and we're gonna see if my friend Duckman likes his first taste of skate. There's only one thing that is feeling weird. Been skinning these wings and I have become the skate man. Hey kids, come and meet the skate man.
Guys, there's something wrong with Daddy. He's been in the kitchen and
Rachel?
No!
Where are you, Rachel? Come back! In the arms of the angel, all right, we're joined by the Duck Man, aka Mr. Duckworth, aka the Mallard, and he's gonna try eating skate for the first time ever. So let us know his thoughts and feelings about it. What do you think?
Fresh from the sea, delicioso.
Wow, that's the soft bone?
And yet again, another sunrise. Sunrise on the 4th of July.